How to see deleted WhatsApp messages without any app. Since WhatsApp's privacy system isn't the safest, you can still see any deleted chat on your WhatsApp app. In this guide, we'll show you detailed and simpler steps on how to read already deleted WhatsApp messages without any app. Part 1. How does deleting feature for WhatsApp work? There are two message deleting features: delete for everyone and delete for me. Part 2. How to read already deleted WhatsApp messages without any app on iPhone. Way 1. Using iCloud Backup. Open WhatsApp on iPhone. Go to Settings, Chat Backup. Tap Restore My Chat History. Wait for restoration. Deleted messages will be restored in WhatsApp. Way 2. Using iTunes. Download and install iTunes on your computer. Launch iTunes from Start menu. Connect iPhone to PC. Tap device icon in iTunes. Go to Backups. Select Manually Backup and Restore. Tap Restore Backup. Press Done in the lower right corner. Way 3. Using iPhone Data Recovery. It doesn't matter how your WhatsApp messages got deleted on your iPhone. Whether it is due to a damaged phone, you can still get them back without much hassle. With iPhone Data Recovery, you do not need to fret about any issues with your iPhone. Part 4. How to see deleted messages in WhatsApp without any app on Android. Way 1. Using Notification Log. Long press on a space on the phone's home screen and click on the widgets option when it appears. Locate Settings shortcut widget, then hold it. When Settings shortcut shows up, scroll down to Notifications Log and tap on it. Browse to locate WhatsApp messages or notifications. Way 2. Using a local backup. In File Manager, open WhatsApp folder database. Rename Megstore DB Crypt12 to Megstore Backup DB Crypt12. Open Google Drive. Tap 3 dots. Select Backup. Then delete Backup. Delete WhatsApp. Then tap Restore to restore WhatsApp. Way 3. Using Android Data Recovery. Did you delete or lose important WhatsApp messages on your Android and now want to get them back? Android Data Recovery has your back.